So I just want to take you through how you might set up like a strobe effect that can override something that might be happening in a queue. So say you've got your lights looking nice. Let's have a look. Got something going on like that, and I want to make it strobe. I'm going to put I'm going to create a dimmer effect to get that to happen. Okay. So I'm going to I'm going to clear my current settings. So at the moment we've got current, you can see from this red bar, we've got programmer settings going in here. So I'm going to clear that, select all my fixtures, go to dimmer, put them on full. What we're going to do is just make this have an effect where it um, oscillates up and down really fast. So let's have a look at how that's looking. First of all, make sure that's okay, cool. So they're just on full, but nothing else has changed. I'm going to go to effect. I'm going to go to hard dimmer. I'm going to have a low value of 0, a high value of 100. Let's just see what's that might be looking like. Is that doing anything? Yes, it is. Okay, so it's just kind of flickering the lights, which is great. Let's go back to the effect. What I'm going to do is put all the phase onto 0. And what that will do is make them all come on and off together. And the other thing I'm going to do is make the width here 50, so they're on as much as they are off. On, off, on, off. Sweet. So that's pretty good. That's the effect I want. I want it to be a lot faster than that though, so I'm just gonna bump this. I'm gonna bump it again. Let's have a look at how that looks. Yeah, okay, that's pretty intense. Great. So this is an effect that we might be able to activate while we've got other things going. So now I've got that sorted. I'm going to go store, and that you can see is the values that I've got currently selected and set up, and these are the ones that will go into a queue or into a preset if I choose to use a preset. So I'm just going to use this quickly in a queue. So I've got these dimmer settings. That's all good. I'm going to go store. I've hit it. It's ready to go. And I'm going to hit this slot here. I'm going to call it strobes. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in there. I'm going to change this to, instead of toggle, I'm going to call it flash, which basically means that when you press the button, it should activate, and it should unactivate when you let the button off. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set it to super priority, which means that if you do have something set up in here, this will override those dimmer settings. Now, let's see what we've got. Hang on. Yep, so that's, you can see it's turning on and off like this. What I'm hopeful of is as I'm holding it, it should be flickering. So let's go see what's happening. So it's running. And, I know what I forgot to do. I've got to stomp this. Yep. I'm going to run the colors. Let's see how it's going. Okay. Bring the dimmer up. Yep. Now what we're looking for is as we stomp this, yeah, so as I'm holding that button, so it only activates. It's a bit hard to show you. Maybe I can try a split screen. This one also needs to be. Yep. Let's see how that goes. Whoa. So I've got my green and magenta and my strobe effect. Pretty cool, eh? So you can do this for movements, or you can do this for anything else you like as well. Pretty cool. And that's the end of that idea just there. So I'll see you in the next one.